Today we will discuss the first chapter, that is electric charges and field. So in this chapter what we basically studied, it is electrostatics, means charge will not flow through the body. So students always get confused when they started studying the current electricity. So in this current electricity, there is a current because there is a flow of electron, but here the charge is not moving, so this type of charge will not produce a electric current. All of we know that there is a two type of charges. One is positive charge and it is negative charge. Positive charge means there is a lack of electron, and negative charge means there is excess of electron in the body. And another two term we have to understand, this is like charge. Like charge means if the charge is the same, it may be positive or negative. So this is the like charge. Okay, unlike charge means if the charges are different, positive, negative, this type of. Okay, and to understand this electrostatics better, we have to familiar with this term, that is conductor. So what is conductor? I think all of you know that conductor have the free electron. So free electron means what? Free electron means that these electrons are loosely bound to the nucleus. Suppose this is a electronic figure of a figure, and this is the electron. These out electron are loosely bound to the nucleus. That's why if we apply a small potential difference here, then this electron can easily escape from this surface, and this electron is responsible for the electric current, right? And the next term is insulator. Insulator means don't have free electron. Don't have free electron means this outermost electron is directly bound to the nucleus. Okay, now we will understand that how to get a charged body. Okay, number one is contact by contact. So by contact means, suppose this is a neutral body, and if we touch this body through a positive charge, then it will be positive charge, and this neutral body is charged, is taken to contact with a negative body, then it will be a negative charge. And the second thing is induction. So what is induction? This is a neutral body here. Suppose this is a neutral body, and we take a charged body here. Suppose this is positive charge, then this side will be negative charge, closer side will be negative. Negative means the opposite charges of this body, and the opposite side will be the same charge. Okay, now here I explain this induction by electronic configuration. See, this is a charge distribution at the same and electric configuration of a system, of a molecule, of an atom. This is the electric configuration of an atom, and we bring a positively charged closer to this atom. Then what will happen? These electrons will attracted to this positive charge, and it gets shifted, and that is one side will be negatively charged and another side will be positively charged. That is I have written here that charge shifted and the concentration in one side become negative and the other side will be positive. So this is how we can get a positive charge, that is in closer point to this body will be the opposite charge of that given body, and the opposite side will be the same of that given body. Okay, now see, if we withdraw this body from here, then it will again go back to its original position, that is neutral. And see this body, to if even there is a positive and negative charge distribution, but the total charge of the system is 0. Now the next question is how to get a charged body by induction. So I have shown a example here. Suppose these are two neutral body, obviously this body are metal, and touch each other. So if we bring a positive charge closer to this body, then the closer point will be negative and the outer point will be positive. Since it is touched to each other, so the charge get displayed from here and it will accumulate on the other side. Now if we can separate this body, then these two body will be separately positive and negative charge, and this is how we can charge a body through induction.